channel. It's me again, Jasphrel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my video for more updates on my upcoming uploads. So in this video guys, I will be sharing to you again a few tutorial about how to apply a salary loan in SSS. So kailangan nyo lang po na magkaroon po kayo ng 36 months contribution or equivalent to 3 years contribution, and then dapat po active po yung 6 months nito. So yung active po guys, wala po siyang palta guys, straight po siya na may contribution po kayo. So meron po akong ginawang video na guide po sa inyo para po makapunta po kayo sa e-services para doon po kayo mag-click para makaproceed po sa inyong application. Tayo sa SSS website guys, tapos lumabas po yung member, click natin yung member. Enter natin yung CAPTCHA. At saka i-select natin ang I am not a robot and then enter submit. So, log in po tayo, user and ating password. So, after that, lalabas po yung e-services. I-click lang po natin yan, guys. So guys, yung mapuntahan na po ninyo yung e-services, i-click nyo lang po yung apply for salary loan. Lalabas po yun yung approved amount at saka yung loan disclosure po. So after that, you will inform your employer na nag-file po kayo ng loan para po ma-approve agad yung application ninyo. Mag-wait lang po kayo ng 2 to 3 weeks po para po ma-credit na yung loan amount nyo sa iyong bank details. So, thank you for watching and I hope you learned something on my video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you will get notified on my next video tutorial. Bye bye!